If I look at something like this guy, it says find the sector area if the radius of the circle is 6 inches and corresponding central angle is measures 90 degrees. And so for something like this one, I would draw a picture. And it's really a good idea to draw a picture, especially on this one. So there's my circle. The radius here is 6 inches. And then it says the section that I want is 90 degrees. Let me draw a 90-degree angle. And here's where understanding fractions in general is very helpful. If I look at this guy, hopefully you look at that, and if you understand fractions from a broader perspective, that's a quarter of the circle. It's 1/4 of the circle. So I could just find the area and divide by 4 here, okay? Once again, I get the same thing if I kind of go the official route. The area of the circle, the entire circle, is pi r squared. Once again, that's 36 pi, which is going to give me a 113.04. And now what I want is I want a partial measurement of that. Well, that's 1/4 of the circle. And if I see that, I can just divide this by 4. Okay? So I can immediately go right to just dividing that thing by 4, the 113.04 divided by 4, and I get a 28.26 square inches. Okay? The official method that we've been doing is this. We just say, oh, though the angle that represents this is 90 out of the 360. And if you actually reduce that, guess what? It's a 1/4. You're going to get the same value. Okay? So again, just kind of look at this thing in a more general perspective. If it's half a circle, you don't have to do 180 over 360. Just divide the area by 2. If it's a quarter of the circle, we could just divide this thing by 3 and make life a little bit easier for ourselves, okay? If you don't like that, or if you don't recognize those general kind of fractions, well then yeah, keep doing this in terms of, 90 over 360, okay? And that's fine. It'll get you the same answer, okay? But look for some of those generalized types of angles, like the 90 degrees, like the 180.